Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price. Now, Bull Candle City, remember earlier when they listed Tectonic token, then we were only seeing just $20 to $40 trading volume, but today you can see the trading volume is approaching $1,000 in 24 hours. Wow, this is amazing. And like I tell you before, very soon we'll be seeing these numbers will be increasing, and very soon we'll be seeing about 10,000 to 100,000 trading volume. And that is why we say we need more exchanges to come in. Even though there are small exchanges, but believe it, they are going to create an impact. Yes, every exchanges will definitely create an impact on Tectonic token, and I still believe that this coin, by the time different exchanges will come in to start listing Tectonic token, we are going to experience an increase on Tectonic token price, the market cap, and especially Tectonic token community. I believe Tectonic token is going to delete some zeros, but that is something that might be happening in the next few months. That is before the end of 2023. Tectonic token is certainly going to delete 1 or 2 zeros, and doing that simply means we will be seeing about 5,000 or 10,000% increase. Tectonic token is going to pump, and I believe that this coin, with the way things are going, if the developers can really focus on destroying Tectonic supply and also work with different crypto exchanges and companies to partner with Tectonic, I believe this is going to bring a positive impact on Tectonic. Look at Bull Candle City that just listed the Tectonic token recently. This started with about $20 to $40 trading volume. Today, the trading volume is now approaching about $1,000. Before you know it, it will be approaching $5,000, $10,000, and that is what we need. We want to see positive sign increasing. We want to see good news. We want to see everything working out. And I believe if other crypto exchanges can come in, then definitely we are going to experience a massive increase in price for Tectonic token. Tectonic token is the coin, is a future coin, and it is one of the best small cap coin at the moment, because I believe crypto.com, VPN Finance, Bull Candle City, and soon we'll be seeing about the Get.io, Kucoin. We'll see other top crypto exchanges coming in to partner with Tectonic token, and when that happens, we are going to experience a massive increase in price on this coin. But please remember to kindly like, comment any question you have to ask us, and also remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.